Engage learners with improved training content, targeted messages, and guided learning pathways. uPerform Premier is a new tier package that combines the latest and greatest uPerform enhancements, like learning pathways, change communications, and Amazon Poly, tools that help you make content even more accessible to your users and easier to manage for training teams. With learning pathways, you'll guide employees down a simplified learning path for new hire onboarding, new software rollouts and upgrades, acquisition training, and more. Learning pathways are specific to each user's role, region, or department, so they only see help that is relevant to them. Let's take a look at what learning pathways looks like for onboarding a new hire. It's my first day at GoodTech, and I'm ready to start my new employee onboarding. From the Learning Pathways homepage, I navigate to my department, where I can find all the relevant onboarding materials organized into a learning path that's specific to my role in the organization. I select my Onboarding 101 course to begin my self-paced onboarding. With Learning Pathways, I can return anytime to take the next course in my onboarding journey or revisit material. uPerform also makes it easier to continue supporting users after onboarding. With change communications, users receive important updates and messages in their email and their uPerform learning library. For example, GoodTech is preparing for an upcoming SAP Go Live and has sent me a change communications message. The message includes an acknowledge button that informs my training team that I have received and acknowledged the message, as well as a link to a guided training simulation. With uPerform Premier, GoodTech ensures that I can easily find the training content I need, whether I'm a new employee who needs onboarding, or if there's a change I need to know about. So how does uPerform help training teams? The change communication tool simplifies change management and communications. uPerform administrators can craft personalized messages targeting individuals or groups of users based on user attributes or uPerform user groups defined in the system. And with access to engagement metrics, training teams can see who has viewed or acknowledged important updates. And finally, with text-to-speech, authors save time editing and updating documents. And with Amazon Poly, content creators can bring their videos and simulations to life with more realistic voices.
Enter business partner. For example, uPerform.
Poly also offers a variety of languages, allowing training teams to quickly and easily create content for diverse user bases. With uPerform Premier, you gain access to 3 enhancements that save your training team time and make your content more accessible to end users. You'll guide users down tailored learning journeys with learning pathways, saving valuable time. Notify your users on important updates with targeted change communications. And bring your training content to life with Amazon Poly text-to-speech. Want to learn more about how uPerform Premier can improve the efficiency and effectiveness of your training efforts? Contact us today to schedule a demo.